Okay, so let's look at some useful phrases when booking a hotel room. Yes, there's things like how much is the room, how much per night. Sure, but let's get more nuanced, let's get deeper, let's get more specific. So, is breakfast included? Breakfast, eating in the morning, included. Does it come with? Come with breakfast? Does it come with breakfast? Yes, no, maybe. Do I pay extra? Extra. Do I have to pay more? Pay more, extra. Where can I deposit my key? So I have the key for the room, but where can I deposit? Where can I put the key for safekeeping? For safekeeping. Deposit, safekeeping. Yeah. Safekeeping, maybe in a box, maybe in a locker. Whereabouts? And how much is the minibar? So how much? How much is the minibar? And the minibar is a little fridge inside the room where you eat, whatever you eat from it, the cleaners mark it off on the list and you get charged for it. The minibar. How cool is that? Minibar. And could I have clean towels, please? Quite important. Clean towels. Towels that are clean. Clean. Always nice to have clean towels. And then again, please. Could I have clean towels, please? Please. May I have some clean bed sheets, please? Clean bed sheets. Not every hotel would would give you clean bed sheets every day, every morning. If you ask, I'm sure, because it's expensive for them and for the environment as well. But it's not. Also, it takes longer probably to set up the bed and the bed sheets. So it's nice to have clean bed sheets. May I have clean bed sheets, please? Please, please. What time do I leave? What time do I leave? Or when is checkout? When? When is checkout? What time? What time do I leave? What time do I leave? Check out. Check out. We check out of the room. Check out of the room. We leave the room and we say goodbye to the hotel. When is checkout? Normally it's around midday. 11 a.m, 12 midday, 1 p.m, around that time, which is okay. Do you accept pets? Do you allow pets? Accept or allow? Do you allow pets? Do you accept pets? Generally no. No. But you never know. It's worth asking. Pet, what would be called pet pet friendly. Pet friendly. Simple as that. Pet friendly. Some places might be, some places might not be. Depends on things. Pet friendly. And where is the elevator? Where? Where is the elevator? To go down or up. Elevator, to the room. Elevator. But there's always going to be stairs. 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 But where is the elevator? Very nice. Very useful. Very useful stuff. So, is breakfast included? Extra. Where can I deposit my key? For safekeeping. Safekeeping. How much is the minibar? Could I have clean towels, please? Towels. Towels. May I have some clean bed sheets, please? Please. Please. What time do I leave? When is checkout? When is checkout? Do you accept pets? Do you accept pets? Pets, do you accept them? Are you pet friendly? And where is the elevator? Elevator, where? Where's the elevator? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.